Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel, The Curious Palate. In this video, I want to show you another amazing food experience. Today I order take out. So I've got two dishes here. So I will show you the experience from the comfort of my home. First one is chicken rice. Wow, chicken rice is a classic Singaporean food. Actually, this is the presentation of the chicken rice. This is the chicken and rice. That's all. And it's also come with chili on the side. This is a chili with lime and garlic. So I'm gonna open it. Okay, I'm gonna show you the taste of the rice first. So this is the rice. Check it, the rice. So the special about this rice is they mix with some ingredient to make it the aroma is so good. Yes, it's very tasty. It has some garlic taste and some ginger, and maybe they mix some butter in it. It has a buttery taste. Very nice, very good. And this is the steamed chicken. They steam it. This is a white chicken. This is the white chicken. Okay, you see the texture is very tender. How about I add some chili on it? Since I'm a real fan of spicy food, but not too spicy, of course. So I will put a little bit only. So I'm gonna try it out. Very nice. Chicken rice. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more food. Chap. Since I ordered take out, I'm gonna show you how they bake it. This is the soup, the sauce, and the main ingredient here. This is the main ingredient. So the way to take it, you need to mix them together. So I prepare one bowl here. I will put them inside the bowl, and after that I add the soup on top. Very hard. Alright, I don't know how they. It's very hard to untie it. So here's it. Alright, here you go. We have got the internal organ of the pork, the skin, meat, some tofu, And we have got some noodle. It's a source of carbs here. We have carbs, we have meat, we have protein, we have vitamin. Okay, I show you the sauce here. It's very hot. This is the herb juice. I'm not sure what kind of herbs they add into this soup, but I can tell you the aroma is very interesting. Right now, I'm literally can smell the aroma. Here's the soup. It's very dark. I believe they add some black soy sauce to make it darker. Very nice. Okay, to make it more interesting, we need to add this special sauce. But be careful, guys. For those who are not the fans of spicy food, you need to be careful with this because this is very, very spicy.